Yes, students, so we'll continue with the 7th chapter, the next topic. This is one more 8 marks question, students. Okay. So just write the heading as capital subscription in formation of the company. This is a 8 marks question. Okay, 8 marks question it is. What are the steps in capital subscription in formation of the company? Okay, following are the steps. First point is SEBI approval. What is SEBI? SEBI's full form is Securities and Exchange Board of India. Okay, it is one big department which is made by our Indian government. SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. So, public company has to get approval from this SEBI before collecting money from the public. Okay, so what it has to do, see what topic we are discussing. Capital subscription in formation of the company. See, one company to form, it needs money, no, it has to collect the money. So, what are the steps? First step, see, SEBI approval. SEBI andre Securities and Exchange Board of India. Public company has to get approval. Approval andre oppige we tell, see, their permission. From whom? This SEBI. This is controlled by government, okay, before collecting the money. So, first is it has to get approval, oppige, or they have to get the permission from SEBI, this Board of India. Okay. Next step. Next step is filing of prospectus. Filing of prospectus. What is this prospectus, student? Okay, prospectus, see, when before you joined this college, one prospectus, one pamphlet like was given to you. What it had? It had the photo of our college, what all course we have, what all facilities you have, isn't it? So, prospectus will have all the information about the company. Okay, investors will read this, THIS, okay, read this document andre this prospectus and make their investment. So, second step is they have to file their prospectus. Prospectus you understood, no, students? Maybe if you are going to next in a degree college, you will get the prospectus of that college. Okay, like what all course it has, how many lecturers are there, okay, what all facilities are there, library, all those things. So, prospectus will have all the information about the company, like how many assets it has, what it does, which are the products it is selling. So, investors will read this document and then it will make the investment. Okay, yes. The third step is appointment of bankers and brokers. Here, the money, application money, now public, see what topic we are discussing. Capital subscription means money collecting from the public to form the company. Okay. So, here appointment of bankers, because application money received by the bankers. Public are going to give the money, no, they are going to invest. It will be deposited in the bankers. So, bankers, brokers are appointed. Yes. So, there is appointment of bankers and brokers. Okay. Yes. The next step, see, minimum subscription. Minimum subscription. What is this minimum subscription? See, SEBI has made, SEBI andre Securities Exchange Board of India has made minimum guidelines for minimum subscription. If minimum subscription money is not paid, then the application money will be returned. It is like what, to make you simple to understand. See, your college fees, how you have paid. It is paid in installment, no. When you are giving the application to the college, that time you give the money. Some money, minimum this much money has to be given. If you don't give that minimum money, that time your admission will be cancelled. Similarly, if you want to invest in a company, minimum money you have to give. If minimum money, that how much minimum money is decided by this Securities Exchange Board of India, by this SEBI. If that minimum money is not given, then the application will be returned. I will repeat this once again. To understand, you remember your college admission. When you did admission, when you filled the application form, you had paid some installment money, application money. Yes. If that minimum money you did not pay, say just 200 or 500 rupees you have paid, your admission will be done. No, your admission will be cancelled. Okay, some minimum amount has to be paid similarly. Okay, yes. Next point is what? Application to stock exchange, STOCK it is there, okay. Application to stock exchange. An application is made to at least one stock exchange for the permission deal. Okay, so after this minimum subscription, students, application is done to stock exchange. What are stock exchange, student? See, in our India, there are many stock exchange which they deal in this shares and all. Okay, Bombay Stock Exchange, Delhi list, Calcutta Stock Exchange, many are there. So one application is made at least with one of the stock exchange. Okay, yes. Next, allotment of shares. So here, allotment letters are issued to successful allottees. Andre, it is like what, to make you understand, I'll give an example. Now your admission you have done, minimum money you have paid. Next, your second installment money you are paid. That means you are successfully admitted in our college. So similarly, if minimum subscription money when it is collected, then later the shares are allotted. Shares are given to the public. Okay, for them this allotment letters are given. Yes, ಯಾರು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಈ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಸಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್, what is capital subscription in formation of the company? 8 marks question. You have to write this. First is SEBI approval. Second is filing of prospectus. Prospectus under, remember example, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ when you came, one prospectus was given to you. Okay, like that only company will make its own prospectus. Next, appointment of bankers. Next, minimum subscription. Minimum money has to be paid. Then application to stock exchange. Last is allotment of shares. Okay, yes. Next, this is the practical oriented question, student. You can just write, as a promoter, state 5 important documents to be prepared. Which are the 5 documents? You just write the heading, memorandum of association, article of association, yes, then consent of proposed directors, statutory declaration, receipt of payment receipt. Yes, this question ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, one company to start, there are some important documents to be prepared. Now see, when you took your admission, there are some important documents you have to give to the college, like your SSLC marks card, your transfer certificate, your Aadhaar card, yes, caste certificate, like that only. Before you start a company, these all documents has to be given. That is memorandum of association, all these things. Okay, points if you write is enough. 5 marks. Okay. Next, this is a 4 marks question, students. This question will come for 4 marks. Important question idu. State any 4 difference between memorandum of association and article of association. Okay, memorandum of association and article of association. Okay, 4 points if you write is enough. First point you make like this, basis of difference, memorandum of association, article of association. First, objective. Objective alli memorandum of association ni, right, it defines the objects, that is rules of internal the company is formed. Yes, the main objective is what? Memorandum of association defines the objects for which rules of internal company is formed. Article of association, what is their objective? Are rules of internal management of the company. Yes, here you just have to simple you write, article of association are rules of internal management of the company. Only this much you write is enough. Okay, for memorandum of association, it defines the objects, okay, for which rules the internal company is formed. Okay, iga question eno, memorandum of association, article of association. Iga before taking admission, important document is what? Your marks card and your transfer certificate. Okay, like that only. To start a business, these are the 2 important documents. Now what is the difference between them? First one we saw objectives. Second one position. Right, for memorandum it is a main document. For article it is a subsidiary document. ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಮೇನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್, ಮೆಮೊರಂಡಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸಿಡರಿ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಸಬ್ಸಿಡರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್. ಮೆಮೊರಂಡಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಂಪನಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡರ್ಸ್, ದ ಕಂಪನಿ and the outside people like government, customers, them. But article of association defines the relationship of members and the company. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡರ್, ಯರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್, ಯಾರು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಮೆಮೊರಂಡಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಹೂ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡರ್ಸ್, ಯರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ validity, this point you ignore, okay, don't want this. Next point, necessity. Every company has to file memorandum of association. Andre ella company memorandum of association is very very important, but article of association it is not compulsory, only this much you write is enough. Yes, so what you will write? Necessity, every company memorandum of association it is compulsory, it has to file, but article of association not compulsory for private company, private limited. Okay, yes, so what are the difference we saw, students? First point you will write objective, objects for the rules of internal the company is formed. Your objective is what? Rules the internal management of the company. Your position, it is a main document, this is a subsidiary document. Then here relationship, memorandum of association, how? Memorandum of association, relationship between yaru? Company and outsiders. Article of association, company and members. Okay, next one, necessity. Memorandum of association, every company has to file, but article of association, it is not compulsory. Okay, yes. Now next point, this is another 4 marks question, students, another 4 marks question. Yes, explain briefly any 4 clause, okay, of memorandum of association. There are 4 clause. First clause, right, name clause. Name clause alli the clause contains the name of the company. Yes, which company will be known. Only this much you write is enough. Yes, name clause alli the name of the company will be known. This much only you write. What I have marked, no, that if you write is enough. Name clause alli this clause contains the name of the company. Second, register office clause. What is this register office clause? See, this clause contains the name of the state in which the registered office of the company is proposed to be situated. See, ella company ge registration you do know. When you purchase a land, registration is done. Okay, when 2 people are getting married also registration is done. So when company is formed, registration is done. So, suppose if it is in Udupi state yaudu? Karnataka. So ಈ registered office clause alli Karnataka anta baridirtare if it is done in Udupi. So what this clause will contain? The name of the state in which registered office of the company is proposed to be situated. Or you can just write, nimge easy sentence ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, just write what I am telling now. Registered office clause, this clause contains the name of the state. Okay, name of the state where registration was done, where registration was done. I will repeat it once again, right? Registered office clause, this clause contains the name of the state in which registration was done. That much only you write. Yes, now registration was done in Bangalore, so name of the state is Karnataka. Yes, if registration is done in Thane is in Bombay, so office elli Bombay alli ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So you will write registered office clause alli what you will write? This clause contains the name of the state where registration was done. This much only you write, enough. Next, objects clause. Objects clause alli what? Yes, you write this is most important clause. This is the most important clause you write. It defines the purpose for which the company is formed. See what I have marked, no, only that much if you write is enough. Object andre enu? Uddesha. Okay, now you have come to college. Uddesha is what? Object is what? To study, UC. Object clause alli this is the most important clause of the memorandum of association. First idannu bariri. What I am marking, no, right here, important clause. Okay, it defines the purpose for which the company is formed. ಯಾಕೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಈಗ ನೋಕಿಯಾ ಕಂಪನಿ why it is formed? To produce mobiles. Okay, now then again which company? iPhone company it is formed to produce the, yes, the iPads and all, mobiles and all. Okay, last one, liability clause. This clause limits the liability of the members to the amount unpaid on the shares owned by them. What it means? See, this clause limits the liability of the members to the amount unpaid on the shares owned by them. Simple alli, prati members to how much liabilities they can have, how much money they have not paid, how much they have to pay again, that will be written. Yes, liability clause alli, this clause limits the liability of the members to the amount unpaid on the shares owned by him. For example, okay, now a member is there, A. He told he is going to invest 1 lakh, but he has given only 50,000. 50,000. So how much is pending? Again 50,000 is pending. So that 50,000 of that member will be written in that liability clause. Okay, ಅವನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೀತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Every member, how much unpaid amount will be written. Okay, now you told you will pay 2 lakh, but you have paid only 1 lakh. So how much is remaining? 1 lakh is remaining. So that 1 lakh by your name will be written, then 1 lakh your name. That is liability clause. Okay, so what did we see now? 4 marks again. 4 clause of memorandum of association. First one is name clause, that is name of the company irtade, name of the company. Registered office clause, that is name of the state where registration was done. Third, object clause, that is a purpose for which the company is started. Last one, liability clause, that is liability of the member will be written. Okay, then these are just 2 marks question. See, one more 4 marks question will come, students. Here, explain briefly the feasibility studies conducted by the promoters in the promotion stage. This I have already finished. Okay, that is technical feasibility, financial feasibility. In my previous video I have already explained that. Only you have to write only 4 points. Okay, yes. Then what is article of association? Article of association, no, instead of writing this, if a question bandre, what is article of association? For this answer, no, you write this. Easy, I will tell you. You are studying, no, now this thing, this only you write. Right? This is a subsidiary document anta bariri. First, what is article of association again? You will write, this is a subsidiary document. Then you write, it defines relationship of members and company. Second, then you write, it is not compulsory for public limited. Okay, I will repeat it once again. If the question comes like this, what is article of association, for 2 marks? That time instead of writing this, you will write this. Anyhow, in the difference you will study, no, same point I want you to write. First write, it is a subsidiary document anta bariri. It is a subsidiary document. Then you will write, it defines relationship of members and company. Yes, defines relationship of members and company. Then write, it is not compulsory for public limited company. Okay, yes. 2 marks again, you will only write that. What is prospectus? An important question for 2 marks. What is prospectus? It is any document described or issued as a prospectus including any notice, circular or advertisement or the document inviting deposits from the public or inviting offers from public. Okay, if you are finding this difficult, I will just tell now that meaning you write. Idannu nimge kashta agudadre you forget it. Now what I am telling, please write, right? It is a prospectus andre eno. First remember, when you came here to college, one pamphlet was given to you, one paper, adralli name of our college, nama course, what all was written, that was prospectus. Okay, sometimes see, when you, before you go to any shop and all, sometimes they will give you a small paper like prospectus, adralli what all clothes they are selling, okay, what is the cost, everything will be there. Okay, now write prospectus, right? It is a document, please write now. Prospectus is a document, okay, which has all the information about the company, full stop. Prospectus is an document which has all the information about the company. Yes, it is an invitation, right? It is an invitation given to the public. It is an invitation given to the public to purchase the company's shares. Yes, it is an invitation. It is like an invitation given to the public to purchase the shares of the company. Okay, now see, our prospectus was given to you. Why? So that you can come and take admission in a college. Similarly, this prospectus is given to the public. It is like invitation avರಿಗೆ, so that they can purchase the shares of a company. Right? It is an you wrote, no, I will repeat it once again. It is an important document which has all the information about the company. It is an invitation given to the public to purchase the shares of the company. Okay, if you find idu tumba kashta ide andre, you write what I told now. Okay, yes, by this we come to end of this chapter. Thank you, students.